Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you're new here, I do home decor and lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, please hit the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So today we are going to do a fall shop with me. I'm so excited for a new season, you guys. I think a lot of us are just because I think we're just ready for a change. The world has been, and we're just ready for a change. Fall to me means family. It means, being together, cooking and eating good food. Fall just signifies a lot of goodness. And I think that we're just ready. I'm ready. I know y'all are ready. So we're going to do some fall inspired videos. But first we got to go to HomeGoods and we have to go to Target and we're going to do a shop with me. So if you guys are excited for another shop with me, I know you guys like these videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm also going to give you guys some tips on how you can bring fall into your house. You don't have to go crazy unless you want to go crazy. Hey, I'm all for it. I love watching YouTube videos with people going all out for fall, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. Like, I really enjoy that. And I might be that lady later on in life. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started with the shop with me. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of everything this shopping trip. I like those little baskets back there. I think that would be like a cool idea for a bread basket. And I was looking for fall floral arrangements. They didn't have a lot. They just kind of had these. I really thought these little glass skull tea light holders were cool. You can spray paint this a matte white or a matte black to really fit your aesthetics, but I like it. And of course they had tons of candles. I don't remember what haunted house and spooky smelled like, but I thought they were cute. Now pillows. I regret not grabbing these, but they are so nice and they're so cozy looking, perfect for fall. They're by Magashoni. They make really good pillows, you guys. I don't remember the price. I want to say like $20 or $30. I also thought this pillow was nice. And all the pillows I'm showing you guys, they're choppable. You know, we like choppable pillows, but they had a ton of very neutral fall looking pillows that really can give your place a cozy feeling. So now off to Target. They had a lot of these fall colored candles in their dollar section. These were $3, but I like the colors. They had black, they had a cranberry color, they had amber. You guys, they had a ton of really nice looking throw blankets. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I didn't get any, but I don't know, I'm still thinking about which one I want for my couch. But they had a lot. They range from about $20 to $40. I think these were like $25. Play around with textures. They can really add a lot of interest to your home and definitely give your home that cozy feeling for the fall. I know a lot of you are into the boucle or teddy bear style blankets and pillows. I think they can add really nice texture and bring in that cozy feeling.
Okay, we're back.
So I got a little bit of everything, and I wanted to get some pieces that can really complement my home decor style. So that's what I kind of stuck to. And then I got a couple of fun things here and there because, you know, I have kids and, you know, maybe I'm a big kid myself. So yeah, let's start with pumpkins. You guys, I got a lot of pumpkins here. So the first pumpkin I got is this one right here. I don't know what this is called, but I got this one from Trader Joe's for, I think it was $6.99. I really want to get a white live pumpkin to just put around the house. I feel like I can put this anywhere and it will just look really nice. I'll bring in that fall feeling, but I want to keep it neutral and festive at the same time. So that's why I want to go with a white pumpkin. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this yet. I'm gonna start styling things. So if you guys wanna see how I style some of these pieces, let me know. And then I got a bunch of these little pumpkins. So I originally picked up some from Grocery Outlet like a few days ago. I made this bowl, this concrete bowl. You guys saw this in my last video, in my dining room tour video. So I thought it would be a cool idea. So like a geocrystal bowl, like Arvin, that's where I got that idea from. But instead of geocrystals, I put a bunch of these little white pumpkins. These pumpkins were $1.69 at Grocery Outlet, and then at Sprouts they were $1.99. Guys, it cannot be fall and I not get a big orange pumpkin. I'm seriously doing the arm workout, picking up all these heavy items. It was the biggest one, so I wanted to go with that. But I picked up this little haystack. It's humongous. Look how big it is. I showed you guys on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago. That's when I picked it up. So from At Home, this was $17.99, and it's huge. It's a 12-inch, 12 by 12 by 24. So my idea is to put that large pumpkin on top of this and put that outside and make like a little pumpkin patch moment in the front yard, since I don't think we'll be going to any pumpkin patches this year. Okay, so now for the faux pumpkins. So I picked up this woven pumpkin. This was $15. It's from Threshold. I picked this up a while ago. So you guys will see when we went on the Target shopping trip, they didn't have these. So I will check if they have these online and I'll link them down below if they do. But look how nice this pumpkin is. It's perfect. It's like neutral. It goes with the house. It's just really cute. I also picked this up, and they have plenty of these at Target. This is like a wax material. I really like this one because it's white, so it goes with like the aesthetics of the house. But let me show you guys. It actually lights up and it has that orange color, so it makes it a little bit more fun and festive for the kids, and we can light this at night. So all of you people out there who love glass, who love pink, you're gonna love this one. I got this pumpkin right here. How cute is this? This is actually for my daughter. I bought her this pumpkin. Her theme in her room is like a blush pink, and she really wants to decorate her room, so I picked this up. I thought this would be perfect, and it lights up. So now we can kind of group things with each store. So I'll start with Trader Joe's. I picked up this bread and muffin mix. I don't remember trying this, but I wanted to get something that we can cook and just bring in the season just right. You guys go to Trader Joe's, please pick up those pumpkin cinnamon rolls. That's the best Trader Joe's seasonal fall item, period. I want you guys to get them, try it out, and let me know. We get them every single year. They're amazing, and you can really only get them around this time, and they sell out really fast. So I guess everything else is from Homegoods. So I feel like decorating for fall is all about a feeling, just like decorating your house on a normal season. So first things first, I picked up a bunch of candles. It just really makes your home feel so much more cozier, and I don't know, makes it feel like a home. So this bad boy right here, this one is pumpkin spice, and this is by Sand & Fog. I like getting candles that are like soy wax blend or more on the natural side. So I picked up this bad boy right here. This one was $14.99. It smells like pumpkin spice. And then I also picked up a white pumpkin. You know, it's really hard to smell through your mask at the store, so I'm gonna help you guys out with the difference between these two. The white pumpkin is more of a warm pumpkin smell. The pumpkin spice is kind of like a toned down pumpkin spice smell. So that's the difference in my opinion. That's what I get from them both. I don't know what's up with the caps. I usually light the caps. I might have to keep these off. I don't know. So that's what those look like. And then I wanted another scent that was like a fall scent, but not pumpkin, just to switch it up. So I picked up spiced apple. So these are all by Sand and Fog. I love this one. It just smells like applesauce, honestly. Like a fresh applesauce. It smells really good, and I cannot wait to start burning these. I'm glad I'm doing this haul now so I can just, no, I gotta wait. I gotta at least wait till fall. So fall will be tomorrow, if you guys don't know, Tuesday, and I can't wait. And I also picked up this pack of candlesticks. It comes with a set of 8. This was $7.99. Yeah, I really needed some candlesticks to go in my candlestick holder. So I just got some basic white ones. Like I said, fall to me just means coziness, so there's nothing cozier than lighting candles. I also picked up 2 sandalwood pure wax candles. I just love how these look. These are gonna go in my bedroom, I think, on our bedside tables. I just love how they look. They look really expensive, but they're not. They're $6.99 each. They have a lot of these coffee cups at HomeGoods right now, but I just really thought this one was adorable. So it's just a black cup, and it has white and orange polka dots. Comes with the tops. Oh, there's the rest of them in here. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? You guys, I have kids, so I'm gonna show you some cute stuff too. And I know some of you adults like this kind of stuff too, you guys. Don't front, I know you guys do. I'm just trying to make the holidays as fun as possible, because I don't think we'll be doing much. Actually, we won't be doing much outside of the house. So I'm just trying to bring all the fun here. I really love getting the cocktail napkins from HomeGoods because they're so cute. You can find all kinds of designs. So I got Happy Friendsgiving. Let me tell you, there probably will not be a Friendsgiving, but maybe next year there'll be one, and I'll already, be ready. I picked up these cocktail napkins right here. It's cute. It has like some gold detail, a little pumpkin on it. This is supposed to be for my coffee bar. So I don't know how I feel about skeleton and, creepy things like that yet, but I saw this and I wasn't gonna get it at first, but I'm like, you know what? Let me make it a little more Halloweenish for Halloween. So this was only $4.99, and I don't know, I just thought about putting some candy in here and putting this out. So another way to add that coziness to your home for fall is to add pillows. You can add pillows to your couch. You can add pillows to like an entryway bench. You can add pillows to your bed. So I picked up 2 of these. It has a very soft texture. It's feather filled because, we don't like stiff pillows up in here. So you can chop it. But textured pillows definitely bring that coziness to your home. And the color is very neutral and warm. These were $16.99. I don't know the brand. It doesn't have anything. It just says Featherfield. So the fall season means cooking, eating good food. So you can't cook and have your place decked out in fall decor and not have servingware to serve your guests, to serve your family, to serve yourself a nice, cozy meal. So this one was $12.99, and it's a really good size too. And I also picked up this one. This one actually is oven safe. Oh, oven to table, yeah. This one actually is oven safe. It says made in Portugal. This other one, yeah, both made in Portugal. So I don't know what I'm gonna make. I don't know what's gonna go in here, but we're gonna eat good. So another thing I got, and here's my little splash of festive again, or fun. So for Halloween, like I said, I don't think we're gonna be doing much. So I just really wanted to make it fun for the family. So I did pick up these. Oof, let me show you guys before I break it. Oh my gosh. So I picked up these little serving dishes, microwave dishwasher safe. So these you cannot use in the oven. It's by Potter Studio. So this one says Boo, and it has a picture of a little ghost on it. This one says Pumpkin Day, has a little jack-o'-lantern on it. I wish it just had the pumpkin without the face. And I would have got 2 of those, but they didn't. Or I would have got 2 of these just because the aesthetics. But I picked up 1 of each, and they also had one with a cat, a black cat on it. The only thing with the black cat, it had orange eyes. I wasn't really feeling that. I don't want anything too creepy, even though I got a ghost. I don't know, it's kind of cute to me. The cat was creepy, maybe because I don't really like cats. I don't know. You guys, I think we reached the end of this video. I think that's everything I got. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some good ideas. I hope you guys like the concrete bowl with the pumpkins in it. I'm curious to know what your guys' styles are. How do you like to decorate your house in fall theme? Do you like to do a very neutral palette? Do you like to go out and have like bats and jack-o'-lanterns and, you know, witches and everything like that around the house? Do you like to keep it toned down? Do you like to make it really fun and festive? Please let me know. I'm interested on what your guys' style is. Hopefully I hit every bit, and if I didn't, hopefully I showed you guys something in the shop with me that stands out, that speaks to you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.